India's Jadumani in blue. Omar Izaz, young man from Melbourne, in red. Omar also has a bronze, of course, this year in Kazakhstan, this particular weight category. Lost out to J. Brian Barua Kutro of Philippines in the semi-final eventually. Pretty much an attacking intent off the blocks from Singh of India. Slight height advantage for Izaz. But the speed of punches from Jadumani was a feature of that quarterfinal victory as well. And that's something that is in evidence here too in this match. Certainly mixing it up well. A few punches to the gut as well. Softening up his opponent. It's a great aggressive start from Jadumani Singh. Every positive move from him entices a loud cheer from a crowd absolutely behind the man in blue. To defend well against somebody of Omar's constitution, and that's something that he's done well thus far in this opening round. Really has great positive energy about him. To the last few seconds now, in a corner, but punches out. And as soon as it resumes, there's another left which connects. The judges should go in favor of the boxer in blue. A little bit of swagger as well, just bouncing off the ropes a couple of times playfully. Been a good clean exhibition of aggressive boxing.
Round 2.
Also worth mentioning, he does come from a region of India in the northeast, Manipur, which has also been famous, producing some champion boxers both in the men's and women's categories. Been historic pretty much through the 80s and 90s in particular. A couple of great combination punches landed by Singh. None bigger, of course, in recent years than MC Mary Kom, but also worth it to mention somebody like a Sarita Devi, who's been so good. Multiple world championship medals for her as well. Been very good controlled boxing right through from Jadumani, both in his quarterfinal win and thus far in this match against Omar. And in case he does make it to the final, it will make for a fascinating contest. Saw the Uzbek Dilbek Jalilov is quite unconventional in his own way. Jadumani, if he does get there, will be quite a challenge for him with his out-and-out aggressive approach. This is far from over. Izaz has to do something clever, something different. But what Jadumani is doing very well is defending on occasions when Omar Izaz gets into more aggressive positions. And also pouncing on little openings that his opponent makes.
Watch your heads. Red, do not push.
Omar Izaz does well to evade a couple of quite vicious hooks and cuts which were attempted by Jadumani. But now he's boxed into a corner. Doesn't have many areas to escape. Eventually does. This is another round where Jadumani Singh has looked like the more dominant boxer of the two. As it comes to a close, it's all 5 judges with a 2-zip lead in terms of rounds for Jadumani Singh of India. Omar Izaz, his young opponent, has to do something quite remarkable to overturn this tide. Not impossible, but improbable, especially looking at the way all rounds thus far have panned out. Omar will learn a lot from this experience of coming up against a boxer who's full of energy, who's full of a lot of technical fineness as well. Not just all heart, it's also a lot of clever planning of how he wants to approach this. A shorter boxer, but a swifter and a faster boxer in many respects. It's also about the speed of the mind in such situations. Get into a corner, how do you get out of it? How do you weave out of punches? How do you defend? That was probably a little bit of an unnecessary tangle. Both given a bit of a talking to.
Get up, right.
Last minute, the Indian boxer using all that guile, teasing Omar, asking him to take the fight to him with just about a minute left. Now into the corner, but we've seen that Jadumani defends very well. Into the last 30 seconds. Jadumani Singh in control in this bout all the way through, now beginning to enjoy it, soaking in the applause, teasing and tormenting his younger Australian opponent. It was a steep learning curve as well for Omar Izaz. Had a terrific victory in the previous round against Slominski, the established boxer from Poland. But he has been outclassed in this particular semi-final. Jadumani Singh of India should have a unanimous verdict at the end of this.
The winner on point by unanimous decision. In the blue corner, representing India,
Mandeng Jadumani Singh through to the finals for a matchup against Asilbek Jalilov of Uzbekistan. That's going to be one of the highlight finals, no doubt, of these boxing World Cup finals.